This window is broken, or you know I'll be all out there. He already warned me though, people might try to snatch your phone or it might blow out. I don't really know the reason. He told him somebody might take it. He told me just to be careful. Can't really scare the ladies. Look, we're on the train and this is actually open for air. Here's a plastic shield. This genius figured it out. We've got fans in here because there's no AC, and I think we're on here for 6 hours. And they said not to put my phone over near here when we're slowing down because somebody might snatch it, like they did hers. Have you ever had a dirty plane thing in front of you? Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look how he's selling snacks on the train. Crazy. This is the toilet on the train. I have to
আল্লাহ তোমার বান্দা যারা যে নিয়ত দান করছে আল্লাহ তাদের নিয়ত তুমি পূর্ণ করে দিও আল্লাহ ভালো মুসিবত দূর করে দিও আল্লাহ আল্লাহ তাদের শরীর